If you've ever wanted to convert or optimize your videos without losing quality, Handbrake is one of the best free tools available. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Handbrake step by step and share the best settings to get high quality results, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's start by getting Handbrake ready. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the official Handbrake website, download the version for your operating system, and follow the installation steps. It's lightweight, completely free, and works on both Windows and Mac OS. Once installed, open the application. You'll be greeted with a clean, easy-to-use interface. The first step is to import your video file. Click Open Source in the top left corner and select your video, or simply drag and drop it into the main window. Handbrake will automatically analyze the file and prepare it for editing. Now, let's select a preset. Presets are pre-configured profiles that adjust your settings for specific purposes like streaming or high-quality playback. If you're aiming for the best video quality, scroll through the list on the right and choose Production Max. It's ideal for high-resolution videos. You can also pick platform-based presets such as YouTube 1080p or Vimeo 4K, which are optimized for smooth uploads and great quality on those platforms. Next, head over to the Video tab. This is where the real magic happens. Under Video Codec, choose H.264, X.264 for general use. It's widely compatible and delivers great results. If you want smaller file sizes without sacrificing much quality, you can try H.265, X.265, though keep in mind it might take longer to encode and may not play on older devices. One of the most important settings here is the constant rate factor, CRF. This determines your video's balance between quality and file size. Lower CRF numbers mean higher quality but also larger files. For standard HD videos, a CRF between 18 and 23 is ideal. For 4K footage, aim between 16 and 20 for crisp detail and smooth playback. Next, check your frame rate setting. Choose same as source to keep your video's original motion and smoothness. This ensures your final video looks just like the original, only better optimized. Once that's set, switch to the Summary tab. Make sure MP4 is selected as your output format. MP4 is the most compatible file type and works perfectly across phones, computers, and streaming platforms. Before you start converting, choose where to save your finished video. Click Browse next to the Save As box, select a folder that's easy to find, and give your file a clear name. Now, you're ready to go. Click Start Encode, and Handbrake will begin processing your video. The conversion time will depend on your file size and computer speed, but once it's done, you'll have a perfectly optimized video ready to share or upload. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Handbrake and apply the best settings for top quality videos. With these basics, you can easily convert, compress, and prepare your videos for any platform without losing quality. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other Handbrake and video editing guides for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and happy encoding.